Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, where you watch and learn. I'm your tutor, Alex Musawa, and I'll be taking you through Chemistry Form 3, our lesson number 31. Our topic is Sulphur 4 Oxide. The objectives of this lesson are to determine how sulphur 4 oxide is prepared. Number 2, to determine the chemical and physical properties of sulphur 4 oxide gas. And lastly, to determine the uses of sulphur 4 oxide gas. So, sulphur 4 oxide gas is one of the oxides of sulphur. And sulphur 6 oxide. We prepare sulphur 4 oxide gas in a laboratory by reacting sodium sulfite and dilute hydrochloric acid. When we react the two, we are going to have sulphur 4 oxide gas. The gas is passed through concentrated sulphur 6 oxide acid so as to dry it, and it is collected by downward delivery because it is denser than air. Another method we can use to prepare sulphur 4 oxide gas is by reacting copper tannins with concentrated sulphur 6 acid. When we react copper tannins with concentrated sulphur 6 acid, we are going to get sulphur 4 oxide gas, and it is collected by downward delivery. Copper plus sulfuric acid gives us copper sulfate plus sulphur 4 oxide gas and water. And sodium sulfite plus hydrochloric acid gives us sodium chloride plus sulphur 4 oxide and water. Therefore, we can see that sulphur 4 oxide is prepared by two methods. One, when copper is reacted by concentrated sulfuric acid. Two, when sodium sulfite is reacted by hydrochloric acid. Next, what are the physical properties of sulphur 4 oxide? It is a colorless gas with a pungent, suffocating odor. It is heavier than air. That's why we collect it by downward delivery. It is highly soluble in water, and it can easily be liquefied to a colorless liquid at temperatures of -10 degrees Celsius and into a snow-like solid at -76 degrees Celsius. What are some of the chemical properties of sulphur 4 oxide gas? Number 1, it is acidic. It is an acidic gas. Number 2, it is a bleaching agent. It bleaches flower petals. Let's say you take flower petals and you dip them in a gas jar containing sulphur 4 oxide gas. What happens? They will be bleached. It is acidic. It turns moist blue litmus paper red, but it does not turn dry litmus. It has no effect on dry litmus paper. It reacts with magnesium to form magnesium oxide and sulfur. That means sulfur is a reducing agent. Sulfur reduces acid. It turns acidified potassium chromate 6 from orange to green. That means it is a reducing agent. What are some of the uses of sulphur 4 oxide gas? As you can see, sulphur 4 oxide gas is used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid. It is used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid. It is one of the major raw materials during manufacture of sulfuric acid in the contact process. It is used also in paper and wood pulp. It is used in paper and wood pulp industries. It is used as a refrigerant in form of liquid sulfur dioxide. It is used, number 3, as a bleaching agent for delicate articles like wool, silk, and straw. Number 4, it is used as an anti-chlor for removing chlorine from a fabric after bleaching. It is also used as a fumigant and as a preservative in jam and fruit juices. And that is the end of our lesson. Activity: give 3 uses of sulphur 4 oxide gas. Number 3, why is sulphur 4 oxide prepared in a fume chamber? Our reference book is KLB Book 3, 5th edition, 2019. For more information, contact us on our phone number, YouTube Elimu TV, Facebook Elimu TV, and on Twitter at Elimu TV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV. Stay tuned.